Hi, it's Rosie Gremmert. I'm super excited to share with you guys today something that's not my idea, but it's helped our family so much. And every single time I share about it, I have heard back from anybody else that's made it about what a difference it's made for them and for their family. So I'm going to talk to you today about making your own immune support DIY roller with essential oils. And this is an example of what I keep posting about and that people want to know how to make it. Okay, so I'm going to give you the recipe, and I will post also in the comments how you can make it either in a 30 ml bottle like this, like if you can get your hands on one of these, or so that you can make it in a 10 ml roll-on like this, or even how you can recycle your old 15 ml bottle, right? And how to make it either way. So again, don't worry about trying to capture this recipe right here because it'll be in the comments. You'll be able to get it there. But this was actually Michelle Cannon's idea, and I saw her post about it in December of either November or December of 2019. And I mixed it up right away for my family. I thought it was a brilliant idea. So I want to make sure we give her credit. This is the recipe. It's 30 drops of OnGuard. This for this size, for this 30 ml bottle. 30 drops of wild orange, 15 of clove, 15 of black pepper, 15 of cinnamon, 15 eucalyptus, 15 oregano, 15 rosemary, and 15 melissa. So those are all the oils that doTERRA puts in OnGuard Plus soft gels. And so all we've done is basically taken that and made it into a roller. So here's the questions I get asked all the time. Where did I get the label? Again, not my idea. This was Michelle's. I just peeled it up off of the OnGuard Plus soft gel label. See how you can just catch it with your fingernails there, and you can just pull it up. And if you just keep pulling slowly, it genuinely is still sticky. So then I just took a pair of scissors and trimmed it on either side. And I trimmed the ingredients also. I don't know why. I just thought it was fun to have that list of ingredients on there. And I stuck it on. Now, this bottle was made up 10 months ago now, and I have refilled it 3 times. So I feel like for recycling the label, it's done pretty well. It is curling up on the edge a little bit, but it's done pretty well. The next question I get asked all the time is it just the oils? So here's my answer to that. If you want to use it as a topical roll-on like this, you're going to put in the oils in the recipe, and then you're going to fill it up the rest of the way with fractionated coconut oil. And then that makes it so that it's really handy to just roll it up and down someone's spine, on the bottoms of their feet, on your own feet, whatever, right? I've even just used this directly on my hands when I haven't had something else nearby and I've wanted to get that quick coverage on my hands, right? So you add fractionated coconut oil if you're going to use it topically. Some people like to recycle a 15 ml bottle, cut the recipe that I just gave you in half, and then they don't put any coconut oil in here because then they can use it as a master blend to put into a diffuser. So in that case, you wouldn't add any carrier oil because you're going to be putting it into a diffuser, right? And then if you want to make it up in a 10 ml roll-on like this, you'll take the recipe I gave you and you cut everything in a third. And then you still would fill the rest with fractionated coconut oil. You'd put on your roller bottle top, right? Push that down on, and then you'd have the roller bottle. Now, what if you don't have an old OnGuard soft gels bottle to use the label? Well, I like to keep it really simple. And honestly, a lot of times when I am doing a label, I do something just like this. I just write on a mailing label. And then you can peel this off. You can even cut it so that it's a little bit shorter, right? If you want, I've got it upside down for you guys. Or if I start on this side where it's got the extra label, then I can just roll it right, if I can line it up, then I can just roll it right around there and the label's on and it stays. And I know what it is and everybody in my family knows what it is, and that's the purpose of it, right? You can print them on your computer if you want it to be a little bit cuter. One last thing I want to share with you. If you do want to recycle one of your old 15 ml bottles, cut the recipe in half and do it in here, what you're going to do is either use an orifice remover, or you can just use your fingernails and get underneath this orifice reducer, remove that, and you can buy something similar to this at aromatools.com. And it just makes it so that you can take a 15 ml bottle and turn it into a roll-on. When I twist this cap on, then this will now be a roll-on bottle, right? I'm not ready to do that yet, so I'm not going to compress that down in there. But these are super handy and a great way to recycle your old bottles. So I hope this helps. Look for the recipe in the comments, and it has become one of our favorite things. I actually have two of these. We've got one by the back door, and then we've got one that we can use at nighttime, so that it's really easy just to roll it up and down the spine, get it on the feet bottoms. And this has just become part of our daily routine. Morning and night, we're using this OnGuard Plus roll-on. Can't wait to hear how much it helps you.